Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to display game activity on Discord in a simple way so others can see what game you are playing. First, open Discord and log into your account. Now click on the user settings icon, the small gear next to your username. Scroll down and go to Activity Privacy or Activity Status depending on your version of Discord. Turn on the option called Display Current Activity as a status message. This is the main switch that allows Discord to show your game activity. After you enable this, open any supported game on your computer or mobile. Discord will automatically detect the game and show it under your name as playing along with the game title. If your game does not show, make sure the game is running, then go back to Activity Status and add it manually using Add It or Add Game if the option appears. Select the app or game from the list. Also make sure you are not on invisible mode because sometimes activity may not appear to others. On mobile, go to User Settings, then Activity Status, and turn on Display Current Activity there too. That is how you can easily display game activity on Discord so people can see what you are playing. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.